Okay, for number 3, if this long one is 8 and this is 4, then this must be 4 and 4 make 8. Okay, going down, vertical, if this is 4 and this is 3, how much more do I need to make 4? 3 and 1. So this side is 1. And then from there, you can either divide it up going this way, if you want to. 1 times 8 is 8. And now we have 3 by 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Add the two areas for the total area. For number 4, this is 11. So that must mean that these two, this one and this one, have to add up to 11. Well, if this is 6, then this must be 5, because 6 and 5 make 11. This big long one right here, this tall one, is the same as 6 and 2. It's equal to 6 and 2. 6 and 2 is 8. So that side's 8. And you can divide it up any way you wish. If you want to go like this, that's 11 times 2. And if you want to go, this is 6 by 5. So then you would add up the total area. On number 5, if that's 5, this must be 5 here. And so if this is 5, and this is 4, that must be the same length as this total here. These two add up to this. 5 and 4, that's 9. So that means the other side is 9. This long side right here is the same as this, and that. So these three have to add up to this long side. This is 3, 4, and 3. That's 7, and 3 is 10. So this side must be 10 all the way across. Okay, so now you can divide it up. If you want to, you can just go like this. So this is 3 by 5. And this is 5 times 3. And then this, just think of this whole big bunch right here. This is 4 high and 10 long. 4 by 10. 4 by 10 is, so all of this is 40. So now you just add up the areas for the total area. Okay, on number 6, if the total length is 10 and this is 8, how much more do we need? 8 and something must equal 10. Well, that must be 2. So all the x's are 2. And then this long bit right here, if this is, these three must add up to it. Okay, so this is 2, 7, and 2. 2, 7 is 9, 10, 11. So this side is 11. So now you have your perimeter, and now you need to divide up your area. If you want to, you can simply do this. And this is 7 times 2. This is all 14, this area. And this area is 8 by 11. And then you'd simply add those two together. On number 7, see the total length going up and down is 10. And this is 4. So how much should this be? 4 and something is 10. This must be 6. And if that's 6, then this over here must be 6. And here, if this is all 11, and you have this, this, and this, these two x's and 5 have to equal 11. Well, if you take 11 minus 5, that would give you 6. So these two have to equal 6 together. Therefore, each one of them must be 3. Okay, so now we have all our unknowns. Then we just divide up the area. And if you want to, you can just draw a line across. And this is 6 times 5. This whole big area right here, this little area. 6 times 5. And this one is 4 by 11. 4 by 11. And then you just add the areas together. On number 8, the total height is 12. So that must mean that these 4 right here equal 12. And there's 4 of them. 4 of the same number equal 12. Well, it must be 3. 3, 3, 3, and 3 make 12. Okay, going horizontally, that's 10. So all of these must total up 10. Well, here's 1 right now, so these 3 must total 9. These 3 have to equal 9. And they're both the same. They're all 3 the same. So they must be 3 also. 3, 3, and 3 makes 9, and 1 more makes 10. So the x is 3, and the y's are 3. Now you can divide this up any way you wish. If you want to, you could just make this into squares, if you wish. Like this. And 3 by 3 is 9. This one's 3 by 3. So all these are 9. 3 by 3. 3 by 3. And then this is 1 by 3, so that's 3. And again, this is 1 by 3. So if you want to, you can just add all those up, and there's your area. Okay, the last one. The total distance across is 12. You have 5. This you don't know. You have 3, and you have 1. And they have to equal 12. So let's see. 3 and 1 makes 4, and 5 makes 9. So if that makes 9, how much must this be to make 12? That must be 3, because 5 and 3 is 8, and 3 is 9, and 1... Did I just do that correctly? Let's see. 5, 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11, and 1 more makes 12. Yeah, that's right. So this, and this all total out to 12. That also means wherever you have an x, we figured out what x is 12, so, x is 3, therefore all the x's are 3. The one thing we don't know is this y right here. Well, the total length going up and down is 11. So everything going up and down must total up to 11. So we have 3, and another 3 makes 6, and another 3 makes 9. So how much more to make 11? That's 9 plus 2. So this is 2. Yeah, it doesn't look like it, but if this is 3, this should be more. But anyways, this is 2. It's not to scale. Okay, you can divide this any way you wish. If you want to, we could go sideways. And so if this is 2 by 12, this one right here is 2 by 12, that's 24. And this is 3 by, let's see, how far? It's 1 less than 12, so it must be 3 times 10. This is 10 long. So if it's 10 long, if it's 10 long, 3 times 10 is 30. And this is 3 by, however long this is, let's see, it's 5, and 3 more is 8. 5 times, that's 8. 8 times 3. And this one's just 5. 5 long, 3 tall. 5 by 3 is... Okay, so you simply just add those together, and that'll give you the total area. Okay, most people have difficulty with the last two, the bottom two. Okay, we need the large area. The large area is going all the way around. All the way around. That's the large area. So that would be this times this. So this is 4, 5, 6, this is 8. And this is 6, 4 is 10. So we have 8 times 10. That's the large area. The small area is a combination of all four of these right here. 2 by 2 is 4. So this is also 4. 2 by 2, that's also 4. Matter of fact, all these are 4. So I have 4, 4, 4, and 4. That's a total of 16. So then you have 80 minus 16 would be your total shaded, would be for the shaded area. Okay, the large area, remember it's going all the way around it. Not all the way around it, but is for this big area right here. So we want to take the two sides, multiply them. So 6, 2, and 2, that makes 10. This side is 10. And this side over here is 5, 6, that's 11, 9, 10, 11. I'm sorry, 5 and 6 is 11, 12, 13, 14. This side is 14, right? These three together make 14. So this is 10 by 14. Okay, now we need to find all the small areas here. Well, this is 2 by 5. That's 10. This is 2 by 5. That's 10. This one over here is 3 by 4. And this one over here is 3 by 4. Okay, so and I just add those up. 10, 10 is 20. 20 and 24 makes... So you just go ahead and subtract those together. That's 140 minus 44.